Hey guys, welcome back. DVD collector back here. Sorry for my hiatus. I got out of collecting for a while. I lost all my old DVDs, so I have a newer collection I'm starting. So let's show you my new collection update. So first we have Will Ferrell's Talladega Nights, unrated and uncut. I wonder how that's different. And for the second DVD, we have Jackass number 2, widescreen. Pause that if you want to read it. Then we have one of my favorite actors and movies, Jamie Kennedy's Kicking It Old School. Pause if you want to read that. We got Tobey Maguire's Spider-Man, widescreen special edition. Then we have The Mummy Returns, with one of the first few movies of The Rock's career. Then we have The Mummy Ultimate Edition, which is all like the exclusive stuff. Then we have my favorite, and probably my collection, my favorite movie, Jackass the Movie, full screen collector's edition special. So that includes my video today, guys. Thank you for sticking with me. I highly appreciate it. Peace.